Hello students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. I welcome you all to this offline English class. Dear students, we have understood the first stanza of the poem Palanquin Bearers in the previous session, written by Sarojini Naidu. Let's recall how much you remember. I am going to ask you few questions. Your first question is, who is well known as the Nightingale of India? Yes, Sarojini Naidu is well known as the Nightingale of India. Very good students. Your second question is, how do the palanquin bearers carry the bride? The palanquin bearers carry the bride lightly and softly so that the bride feels comfortable. In the first stanza, the palanquin bearers carry the bride lightly so that she feels comfortable. The bride sways like a flower as the palanquin bearers move step by step. She is as beautiful and delicate as a flower. She glides smoothly like a bird on the foam of a stream. The movement of the palanquin is compared to a laugh of the bride, which changes as per her dream. Dear students, now please look at second stanza. I am going to read it. Please listen carefully. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Students, here we got two new words. Gaily means happily. Dew means condensed drop of water. In the first two lines, the palanquin bearers carry the bride happily, like a pearl on a string. The pearl is very precious and luminous. Similarly, the bride is also considered as precious as pearl. In the next two lines, the palanquin bearers carry the bride so softly. She is seated in the palanquin like a bright star and heeds to the palanquin bearer's song. Their song reflects her happiness like a dewdrop reflects a star's light. Students, now please look at third stanza. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. In the first line, the bride moves like a beam of light that springs when it gets reflected by waves. In the second line, the bride's movement is also compared with the slow falling of tear from the eyes of a bride. This also refers to the sadness of the bride over her departure from her parents. In the last two lines of the stanza 3, the poetess says that the palanquin bearers carry the bride lightly. They move step by singing so that the bride feels happy. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. This line is repeated to show how precious the bride is, like a pearl on a string. The pearl is so precious in such a way that it should not fall down. Likewise, the bride is carefully taken to her husband's house by the palanquin bearers. Students, I hope you all have understood the poem Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Now I am going to ask you few questions. Try to answer it. Your first question is, what is the meaning of the word beam? Beam means ray of light. Your second question is, why is the bride compared to a flower? The bride is compared to a flower because she is beautiful and very delicate. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Your home assignment is you have to memorize the poem Palanquin Bearers. Also study meanings and question answers. In the next session, we will discuss the figure of speech and rhyme scheme of the poem Palanquin Bearers. Thank you. Have a nice day.